How do they look? What do you think?
They look pretty good. Solid, I would say.
Are they comfy?
Yeah, fit good.
You can try them on and see how they feel. What if I told you you never have to charge these headphones again?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that would be amazing.
Never charge.
Never.
I mean, that would be awesome. I hate charging my headphones, so yeah.
So, do you see this right here is our Powerfoyle. This is a solar cell that charges the headphones constantly.
Wow, that's just so cool. So it can charge in the room with any light resources.
They are waterproof, they are splash proof, so you can wash them and clean them.
I'm wondering, is this plastic?
Yes, recycled material.
Recycled plastic.
So, can I wear them also in sports?
Yes, they're actually sports headphones.
Amazing, really amazing.
It's great because I'm very happy seeing so many companies are designing product that's more sustainable and it's very innovative.